Welcome back, guys, CryptoFly channel. Today I would like to show you the main updates for Arbitrum. Targets updates with my customer set. Let's dive in. Guys, this FIB relevant since listing Arbitrum. It's on HTX since March 2023, and we several times retest till penny the 78 level by FIB. So all this block I mark it even in 2023 the relevant block for the best zone to buy Arbitrum based on this model, guys. And no one model in the world will give you the 100% guarantee or the answer: are we going higher exactly from this level, or we drop it down and invalidate the idea? Because, guys, we always work with possibilities, and anything can happen in the world. The Trump can say something about the China, the Taiwan, the Russia, the Ukraine, the tariffs, whatever, and we can go even like this one. Something can happen with Arbitrum, for example. So always work with the proper money management and the risk management. So to buy now at 42 cents or not, it's up to you, because it's about your risk and your size of initial deposit. Anyway, at any level, you can invest that amount of money when you're ready to invest in the high risky assets. That's why, guys, I always explain you there is no safe haven in the crypto space. So the target for Arbitrum, I think Arbitrum will be one of maybe not so many tokens which will hit the new all-time high again. And the first trouble area for Arbitrum, the main one for fixation, will be here. It's $1.54, $1.65. So at this area, most likely I will out of Arbitrum. Maybe 100%. Maybe I will out at 100% withdraw my initial deposits. My entry for Arbitrum now around 51 cents. Around here, just a few penny. I'm not out of Arbitrum because I'm waiting at a higher price, but I'm not out. Of course, I could fix some losses, and here's a buyback, but I didn't. So like you can see, till penny, we would test the level here. Here was also the test, also the test, also the test. So we get reaction. This level is not random. And 27 cents, 19 and 36.28, it's okay. And the good zone for the whales, accumulator Arbitrum. Take a look at the money power indicator. Here, money inflow being at 29.46. Now we traded 42. This one. So this was a level where we saw the big accumulation. Here was every side bullish divergence, every side bullish divergence, MACD bullish divergence. So we get a lot of bullish signals. What I would like to see now, it's a little bit drop. Maybe on the chart it will be like a sideline, sweep this liquidity, and or drop even lower, on some crash, if BTC, for example, will dump to 109K, and bounce with money inflow again. We need to see the money inflow again. And this is really, really important, because at this current moment, usually by seasonality, the August and the September, it's not the best months for, for investments. It's the best months for accumulation, but not the best one like for the people who are swing traders. So you invest in Arbitrum and wait to get a profit in August. Usually it's just mostly or the sideline or some boring markets, small volatile, nothing special, and at the beginning of September, middle of September, it start bring the new volatile after the vacation of that multi-billionaires. The companies start inflow the money in sectors, and the crypto especially. So with all of this brand new rules, brand new laws from United States and Trump especially, I think we will see another bubble, another crypto bubble, because they will sell us, sell us the hopium, the total madness, total euphoria. So it's just the beginning, around here, you will see a lot of positive news about Arbitrum to the moon, Arbitrum to $10, $50, $100, and all of this stuff, guys. But be careful because Arbitrum now too heavy. And I compared the capitalization of Arbitrum and the Pole Matic. So based on risk ratio, if you're still not invested in any token, between these two, I could choose the Pole, but I already in Arbitrum. That's why I can't invest the money in every single token. But if you just decide which one is better, which one project to choose, maybe the Pole and the Matic will be better than Arbitrum. Who knows? Locally, the Arbitrum looks good. Invalidation of idea if we dump under 10 cents. It's possible, yes, of course. So the next target I mark it here. And this is my alerts to 58 and 62. We need to pass or reject like this one, or pass like this one with a really good impulse, move from level to the next target. So this is a crucial level for upside move. So this is a swing trade, this one. So this is a impulse. Now it's a sideline, and I wish to see something like this one if we want to talk about an all-time high. So that's the point. Take a look now with other indicators on weekly time frame ADZ direction. Here, all this same period, somebody accumulates, pump, accumulates, pump. This is accumulation pump, and we formed the craziest divergence ever since September 23 till June 25. We formed the biggest divergence on a weekly time frame. Usually it's bullish, so this is not a time of distribution on a weekly time frame. Finally, since May, almost end of May, the whales now finally get interest in accumulation of Arbitrum. All of that time period, it was a distribution, without any signal of crazy sales, but no signals of accumulation based on direction indicator. So guys, I highly recommend you track everything by yourself with this set. Link will be on the description below. Take a look, guys, with other indicators. Market mode. Finally, we once again in disbelief. So nobody care about Arbitrum, no hype, nothing, and maybe somebody still distribute their free tokens, what they get from ARB, who knows? And this was a hope, positive in the market. Now nothing. That's why time to out of Arbitrum will be when we will touch and trade some time period, in A3 zone again. It's a red color, especially on the weekly time frame. If you talk about daily, local one, here where we now, here was a disbelief, capitulation on the daily, bounce, and aphoria, drop. So this is a for everybody who trade like intraday or swing trader, right? On a daily, it's good for swing trader with a proper risk management. You could open position here, stop loss up to you. For example, on the spot, let's say 10% stop loss on a spot here. 88% profit. You could fix the profit and fixed position. With second leverage, it could be like 20% stop loss, for example. With that amount of money, were you ready to trade? And 190% profit on take profit on the futures with the second leverage, guys. Take a look, money power. I showed you trade on. Trade on, guys. Now locally, what do we see? Buy, bounce, take profit, sell, buy back, sell, buy back again. No signal, for take profit from that sales signals. It's kind of weird. That's why I'm not rushed. I'm waiting one more drop BTC to at least 113K600 to liquidate the guys who open it longs now, late long. And maybe alts will drop a little bit lower to the order block, even to the order block on the weekly time frame. So it's really important. Order block now inside the zone of accumulation would be good to see this move. Honestly, I'm not sure about this week, but the next week would be good. Next week will be just middle of August, and will be more than healthy to see this correction and move higher. If you feel comfortable to accumulate Arbitrum now at 42 cents, you can do this one at build a plan. So at 82 cents, you will withdraw initial deposit and ride with the free tokens. My initial deposit is around $1.02, for example. Maybe I will withdraw my money and leave the free tokens. Globally, also why it's positive now, with Ethereum new all-time high, all ecosystem will pump and Arbitrum will follow. So all main tokens will follow, not a low cap token. So we trade and retest now fundamental value. So take profit on the weekly now $1.13. you will see a fixation at $1.13 with the exit line, with the test of exit line $1.27 and $1.32 zero level sweep of this main liquidity structure. We will see some sells. That's why it's more than real to see with this move something like this one, retest, consolidation, going higher. So this is a Arbitrum like targets for the, I don't know, for the next few months. That's why if we talk about investment, if you feel comfortable and if you believe, for example, in Arbitrum, you can accumulate even now. But of course, guys, keep in mind that 20, let's say 31 cents, 27 still possible if you miss it. Also take a look, the buy line on the daily, now it's 25. I don't think so we're gonna drop to 25 cents. The lines are dynamic. 12 time frame here, the lines start move higher. That's why I wish to see the test of Arbitrum on a 12-hour time frame. The buy line on the take profit indicator, where that's take profit, sorry, this one, buy line on 12 time frame. For me, it will be the good signal to buy back. So this is it, guys. I hope you like this video. Write please in a comment what you think about Arbitrum. If you would like to trade with my customer success, what I showed in this video, just write me a DM. Don't forget to join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.